Why should a student participate in a webinar like this and listen to the podcast? You as an engineering dean, how would you advise them?
The deeper, more important reason is if a student is going to work hard in an engineering school we make the students work very hard. Everyone knows we're brutal. Isn't it a shame if they don't get the maximum use out of all that hard work, right? They must put it to effective use. So coming to this set of podcasts is important. They need to be shown what they can do with all these tools and why it's important to master them now in school and bring as much skill as they can to their commercial endeavors when they work in industry. So the podcast answers a very fundamental question. Why? What do I do with this? Why is it important? Well, here is why. And I hope that we can fulfill that purpose of getting the answers to why. Because when the students know why, they will respond and do the right thing.